Hey everyone! Today I'm diving headfirst into a topic that's often whispered about but rarely discussed openly. Can we live our whole life without having sex? Is it possible or even healthy? First off, let's break the myth that sex is a mandatory part of a fulfilled life. Many people, by choice or circumstance, live content and meaningful lives without it. It's called being asexual, and yes, it's completely normal. Living without a life partner or not engaging in sexual activities doesn't mean you're destined for loneliness. Human connections aren't limited to romantic relationships. Friendships, family, and community can provide deep, fulfilling bonds. But what about those biological urges? It's important to understand that sexual desire varies greatly among individuals. Some people experience it intensely, while others don't feel it at all. And that's okay. If you choose to live a celibate life, focusing on hobbies, passions, and personal growth can be incredibly rewarding. Many find solace in creativity, spirituality, or career achievements. The key is to understand what truly makes you happy. There's also the aspect of societal pressure. We're often bombarded with messages that equate sex with happiness and fulfillment. But breaking away from these stereotypes can lead to a more authentic and self-aware life. In conclusion, yes, it is entirely possible to live without sex or a life partner. What matters most is finding what fulfills you personally. Embrace your choices and live your truth. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's keep this conversation going.